Children, now going to start probability. That is chapter 23, last chapter. Now, what is probability, children? First understand. If I ask, it may rain today. So, it may rain today. Means maybe or may not be. Rain may be or may not be. That is the sambhavana. That is called a chance. That is the probability. So, probability is commonly used even without knowing its actual meaning. Like a possible or a probable chance, maybe or may not be. In that case, we can say probability. Like in Hindi, we can say संभावना. बारिश हो भी सकती है और नहीं भी हो सकती है, right? So that is probability. Sometimes you watch cricket match, okay? So you can ask each other, today India will win or may not win, okay? So that is the chances, sambhavana, okay? Now see here some important point, children, you need to understand. It is simple, very easy chapter. An experiment is an action which result in some well defined outcomes. Experiment means what? Which is well defined outcome, that is the result in some well defined outcomes. That is the experiment. Suppose you will toss a coin. The tossing of coin is a experiment. Tossing a coin. So what you will get? You will get head or a tail. Maybe, may not be. It is not. We don't know what is sure. We can get head also. We can get tail also. Right? Throwing a die. A die is throwing a die is an experiment. And what is the outcome, children? Outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8 can come? No, never. So outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6. That is your outcome. Okay. Now, like that, some more important points. Sure event. What is sure event? That is only sure event, a natural number. In throwing a die, natural number getting up to 6. Okay. So up to 6, that is your sure event. More than 6, you cannot take, you cannot get. So that is your sure event. Okay. Head or tail. Out of your outcome is head or tail. More than that, anything can come? No, nothing. So that is sure event. Okay. Impossible event. What is impossible? An event which will never happen is called an impossible. Like if I will ask throwing a die, you will get 8. Never ever you will get 8 or 7. No. So up to 6, that is your outcome. So that is impossible event which will never happen. Clear? Now some examples given. Suppose, can the probability of an event be 1.25? Give reason. Can you get 1.25? Probability of an event can never be less than 0 or more than 1. This you remember. Less than 0 or more than 1 for an event E. So 1.25 you cannot get. Okay. Can the probability of an event be -2? No. The probability of an event cannot be negative. Okay. The probability of an event is never less than 0. Already mentioned here. So these are the important points. Keep in your mind. So some examples already solved in your book. So just see here. Example, I am not going to solve. Just see exercise questions. A die is thrown. Find the probability of getting a prime number. In die, you know what is the outcome. First of all, you write outcome. Throwing a die, outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to find a prime number. You can write like this. Probability of prime number in bracket equal to, what is your prime number, children? 2, 3, 5. More than that, is there any more prime number? No. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 prime numbers are there. So 3 out of, what is your outcome, children? Total number of outcome you always write in denominator. Okay. Total number of favorable outcome up, and the total number of outcome will be in denominator. Favorable outcome is 2, 3, 5. So number of favorable item 1, 2, 3. So 3 written. So what is the total number of outcome? Total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. So write down 6. Okay. So prime number is 3 by 6. You can divide 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Means 1 by 2 is your answer. Okay. So like that you can solve other question also. A number greater than 4. So how many numbers are there greater than 4? Greater than 4. 5 and 6. So 2 by 6. So your probability is 2 by 6. Isn't it easy, children? Now other question you can do it, no problem. 5 numbers see here. A bag contains a black ball, red ball and a green ball. All the balls are identical in shape and size. A ball is thrown from the bag without looking into it. What is the probability that the ball drawn is a red ball? Okay, so first of all, you calculate the outcomes. Outcome is here. Blue 1, red 1, green 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus plus. Total number of ball is 3 balls. Okay, in 3 ball means your total number of outcome is 3. So write in denominator 3. Probability of red you have to find. How many red are there? 1 only. So 1 by 3 is your answer. Okay, not a red ball. Probability of not a red ball you have to find. So not a red ball means out of 3 balls, 1 minus red ball nahi chahiye. Just 3 minus 1. How much left? How many? 2 only. So 2 by 3. Out of total number is 3. So 2 by 3 is the answer. Okay, children, do it. All are easy questions. If any doubt, you ask later. This also, in a single throw a die, find the probability of the number will be an even number. You all know even number is 2, 4, 6. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 6. Total number of outcome is 6. So 1 by 2 is your answer. So in this manner you can do it. All the questions. Okay, children, revise. Do any doubt, ask. Tomorrow I will give, from tomorrow onwards, some revision questions I will give in your group. So must revise. Okay.